Hello guys, and we're back. I took a break. I went to go eat some food and I'm back to do the second part of the unboxing. Hacer el otro muy largo porque dije se van a aburrir y aquí me van a dejar plantada, me van a dejar hablando sola. Así que dije si les interesa ver lo demás, que vean la segunda parte. So here we go. Let's keep going. We're gonna go with another package from ColourPop. It's gonna break over. Okay, so ColourPop sends me quite a few boxes a month. So this is gonna be We Were Meant to Be collection, and they always have like a theme to their little collection. So this one is gonna be all about mint. This is the Matcha Love Lippy Scrub and Matcha Face Milk. These bad boys right here, I have all of them. I have like a rainbow of them because they sent it out to me. And I love these. I've gone through 2 of these. You guys gotta try this face milks. They have them like in different flavors. This one is matcha. And then we get a lippy scrub. Lippy scrubs is another thing that I must use, especially right now in the winter. My lips get dry, and you know you don't want to be looking like that. Okay, and then they did send me Glitterly Obsessed. These are body glitters. I'm not really crazy about the body glitters that they have. They're like super chunky and they don't really show. I try to use them when I create looks, but they don't really pick up like on pictures and stuff like that. I don't know why. And then they sent me 2 Super Shock shadows, Flux and the Mint for You. These are so cute. I can't wait to try this, but I'm mostly excited about the palette. Okay, so this is gonna be the Mint to Be, and of course it's all mint shades. How cute is this, guys? Okay, the next box I'm gonna do is another one by ColourPop, and this one, it says it's all good. Yep, it's all good. Double OG good. Double OG good with double OD good. Good double OD good with me. You guys don't know that song? You guys are missing out. Send me a palette. It's called the It's All Good palette. Ooh, yes. How cute is this? This is so cute. Thank you so much, ColourPop. This is really cute. Okay, we got another one from Sugary Cosmetics. Thank you so much, Sugary Cosmetics, for sending me this out. This is actually really cute. Look at this. These colors are actually... Ooh! I should have been holding it from here. So this is actually really cute. Look at that. Okay, the next package that I'm gonna go ahead and do is from Anastasia. This is another company that it's always been one of my favorites. I think it's a lot of our favorites. This is one of my goals that I accomplished for 2019, and it's the Amarizi palette. I love Amarizi. Amarizi is one of the first influencers I started following. I didn't even know she was an influencer. I didn't even know what she was. I just loved her pictures. I loved the way she dressed. I loved her makeup. I loved everything about her. Now, a lot of you guys may ask, how did you make it into the Anastasia Beverly Hills PR list? The truth is, like I said, I genuinely love their stuff. So I genuinely, in every look, I would always tag them on the photo, tag them, list my products. And then another thing that I always did was, and I still do, is I like their pictures, and I am I interact a lot with the page. So if they post anything, I'll go ahead and like it, and I have my post notifications on for them, so I get notified every time they upload a new picture, a new video. So I'm one of the first ones to comment, and then I'm one of the first ones to like the picture or the videos. If you're engaged with them, and they see that you're really active, that you're supporting them, they're gonna go ahead and click on your picture, because they're gonna be like, they're gonna start to recognize you, and they're gonna start to get to know you. They're gonna be like, oh, this is a girl that always comments, let me go check out her profile. So they're gonna feel the love and support, and if you're a makeup artist, they're gonna want to support you back, and that is how you make it into these PR lists. You have to genuinely love the company and genuinely be active and engaged with them. Another thing is that they do the PR list search, so that's when I was found. So I always recommend you to use the hashtag. Make sure you're using the proper hashtags. So proper hashtags do matter. This is so cute. Oh, and it's heavy too. But oh my god, Amarizi. Anastasia Beverly Hills has one of the best PR packages that I received. They always have something cute, something extra. You get the little mirror. This is so cute. So when you do your makeup, you look at yourself. Yeah, this is so pretty. Look at this. Congratulations, Amarizi. Thank you so much, Anastasia Beverly Hills. This next box is also by NYX Cosmetics, but they did send me this gold bag and then these two products right here. This is gonna be a holiday collection as well. This is a lip lingerie gloss trio, and then we have the soft matte metallic lip cream midi trios. Okay, the next one is another one from Benefit Cosmetics. These are gonna be the new powder highlighters. This one is called Tickle, and this one is called Cookie. Thank you so much, Benefit. The next one is from ColourPop Cosmetics as well. We got the Come Fly With Me collection. This is so cute. I got the Luxe lipsticks. I got 5 of them. And then we got a couple of Super Shock shadows. So these are jelly shadows. So this is gonna be the Buttercup jelly shadow. And then we got a cute powder. This is the Pixie Puff highlighter. And then we have the Flutterby palette. Sorry, my camera died. Like I was saying, the last package I do have is gonna be the biggest package of them all. And this is by the Makeup Shack. Oh yeah. But let's go ahead and open the last one. This is by the Makeup Shack. It's a huge one. Look at this. Takes off the whole camera. And then we have a huge black box. The Makeup Shack. I have no idea what it is. What do you guys think this is? Go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think it's in here. Please, 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 I want to see what you guys say. Oh my god, how cute is that? It's like a bouquet of roses. And then the eyeshadow palette is called Aesthetic. And this is the palette here. This is so cute. And then it has these shades right here. I'm not really sure what type of shades these are, but you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 matte shades. And I love that the pan is huge. This is definitely something different. I have not seen an eyeshadow like this. I'm living for this PR package. Thank you so much, the Makeup Shack. The liquid eyeshadows. Okay, so they sent me this one. It's called Eyeful, and it's gonna be a liquid eyeshadow. Let me see this one. This one is called Irresistible. So this is the hoodie. How cute is this? Okay guys, so this is all for now. Thank you guys so much for watching the second part of my PR unboxing. Hope you guys use the tips that I did mention. And if you guys like these types of videos, please comment down below. Let me know if you guys liked it. Give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until next time.